Oh yeah, this is the Xpress Platinum's greetings. This is Andrew from Andrew64, and I've got this delightful new old stock grill as seen on TV. Yes, this is the Xpress series of products from the likes of the GT Express 101, the Express Ready Set Go. That one you might actually remember, the Express Ready Set Go. It was the red one. It had a famous, at least I think it was famous, infomercial.
Have you been holding something back from me? Like dessert?
This first one I've got, it's kind of a giant cookie pizza. I call it a kukitza.
Ah, that's a good memory. So that's the only two products I knew of, the GT Express 101, the Express Ready Set Go. But I learned recently there was a third product. This one was, I believe, the final in the line of Cathy Mitchell's grills. Cathy Mitchell Ray, beautiful lady, creator of the dump cakes.
Hey, future Andrew here. I just want to let you know that it turns out Cathy Mitchell did make another grill. It was called the Red Copper Chef. Came out in 2018, so she's still making grills, but it is not the Express though. The Express Platinum is the final of the Express line of grills. Just thought I'd clarify that, and back to the video.
So I came across this on a 9-minute infomercial I watched on stream, uploaded on the official Xpress Platinum channel. As I watched it, I saw like, oh, it's got a floating hinge that opens to 100% more cooking space. You can grill, you can fry, you can bake and broil, you can do whatever the crap you want with this little device. And I wanted more. I wanted to see more than just 9 minutes of Cathy Mitchell. I wanted to see 30 minutes of Cathy Mitchell. And thank goodness the Game Show Credits channel uploaded a full 20-minute infomercial on the Xpress Platinum. Well, here's the thing. That's like where our information on the Xpress Platinum kind of more or less ends. The Xpress Platinum was a failed product, unfortunately. I don't know how that's even possible. This has become exceedingly rare. I was looking on eBay for almost a year, and this is the first time I have ever seen it sold. But I do have a little history for you. It came out in 2012, and initially you could only purchase the cooker through the Xpress Platinum website, www.xpressplatinum.com. This was the #1 way and only way for a while to get it. It was 2 easy payments of $19.99 with $15 shipping. And if you wanted, there was a bonus steamer set that you could get for an additional handling fee of $9.99. Eventually, though, they started to branch out. They started selling this on Amazon, but it was like kind of weird because they were only selling it for like 2 weeks in 2016 for $49.91. But then it just kind of went away and never came back. And now in 2023, it's not being sold at all. And I don't know exactly when the official website stopped selling it. They have completely abandoned the product. I found a Vimeo video of the same infomercial that the Game Show Credits channel uploaded. On that video, it said that fitness marketer Gaia, I think that's how you say it, bought the rights to the Express line of grills. And then they tried to like make their own version with Cathy Mitchell, the Express Platinum, in order to sell with their branding, and it just didn't work. Kind of a shame. I am very excited. This is a new in-box copy of the Express Platinum. It's a little sun damaged. I'm hoping that the seller didn't lie to me. That's the hope, that everything's gonna be in here, including the spatula, the insertable divider pan, the recipe book. I'm excited, and I'm kind of ready to open this up already because I feel like I own a piece of history here. Enough stalling. Let's get into it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so first we got some papers. Cook it quick with Cathy Mitchell. Oh, it is like brand new. Oh man, that has never been touched. Scrambled eggs and tiny weenies. Pear pecan muffin stuffed French toast. I feel like I remember that was in one infomercial. When I was growing up, we used our GT Express 101 for breakfast, mostly making like cinnamon bread and stuff like that. But with this, you can make, cinnamon bread, and you could also like have eggs over on the side. Now, this is really interesting. This is the recipe exchange that they were pretty proud of This was a membership program. Why don't we just read this so we can get some actual information. Share your favorite Express recipes and discover new ones with the all-new Express Recipe Exchange Club. Exclusive Express community is essential source for hundreds of quick and delicious recipe ideas, cost-saving tips, family-pleasing meals, and the Express cooking tips and tricks. And you have direct access to Cathy Mitchell. Wait, was this like a Discord server or something? You can like actually talk with Cathy Mitchell herself? That is an absolute like this is worth millions. So this is 3 months free and you get access to that community. And then you would also get these muffin pans, which I'm kind of jealous. I don't think I got these. They got muffin pans. They got like these like grill pan or something. Heart-shaped pan. It's the ultimate food lovers clubs, combines the Express recipes with their exclusive connection of insertable divider pans, a variety of shapes and sizes. Every month you get a selection of delicious Express recipes along with 2 new insertable pans for $39.99 plus shipping. And as a special bonus, Cathy will include her Eat Dessert First recipe book and the mini food pan absolutely free. No strings attached. But unfortunately, we can't sign up for that. Ooh. Okay, there's the spatula. Once again, brand new. Maybe, I don't know. What do you think? Just like a little like dark spots. Like I'm trying to figure out if those are fingerprints. Those are my fingerprints, but I mean I'll give it a quick wash before I use it. And then I think there we go. You know, we never really like looked at the box itself. Oh, it's got a recipe right on the side of the box. Here we go. It would be a shame not to read this together. The new Xpress Platinum is an entire kitchen of versatility in one compact appliance. I know you enjoy this product as much as I do because it's so easy to use, versatile, and fast. Even with today's busy lifestyle, you will be able to provide yourself and your family with homemade and healthy meals. Wow. I'm assuming the insertable divider pan is inside it. There it is. Oh, man. Okay, that looks clean. I was wondering how new this would actually be. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if I can get a close-up look. Look how clean that plastic on the bottom is. No grease, no fingerprints, no nothing. Oh, wow. I'm assuming that's the insertable divider pan right there. Yeah? Yes, it is. Wow, look at that. Look at that, it's so clean. So it's got like little notches here. That's how it like locks into place right there. So then you cook, open it back up, pop it right out. Don't even have to clean this. You just clean that afterwards. It's non-stick. Some of the earlier Express grills had a thing where the non-stick coating would like come off. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure the Xpress Platinum in the infomercial was like, hey, you know, the coating's good. Don't worry, coating's great. This should let me go all the way down. Maybe I should read the instructions. You may notice smoke. You may notice smoke. Don't worry about it, bro. It's fine. Recommend a one-time seasoning. When ready cooked, plug in the unit. Turn the power on. Position 1 turns the bottom well only. Position 2 turns on both the top and bottom. Oh, that's interesting. Let me see. There. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, and then off. Oh, that is it gets a little stuck, but I don't know. It's got a satisfying click to it. Oh, it's got a cord wrap on the bottom where you can like keep the cord on. That's nice. Well, how do I get it down? Cathy, how do I do this? When opening the unit into the full position, start with the unit in the standard O position, then gently lift the top lid till it unlocks and then lower it. Okay. So it's open, lift. Oh, dude, that's really clean. So now we've got the top. Oh, that's cool. Look, look, look. You got the things there. So you can put the insertable divider on the top if you want to, or the bottom. Or I guess technically if you had 2, you could do both, but it only comes with 1. See, that's where the spatula like comes in handy. You got the big one to get the stuff off of there, and they got the little one here. That's useful for getting the dividers out. It would be a shame not to, you know, try it, see what we can do, maybe like cook some eggs or something in it. I know it belongs in a museum. I feel bad buying this and not showing it tested on YouTube for all to see. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clean it up, plug it in. We're gonna move out of my office so we don't blow a fuse, and we're gonna test it out. So yeah, let's do that. All right, so we've got our Xpress Platinum. It's actually already hot. I did like a pre-seasoning kind of thing that I recommended. It was like put a little cooking oil on it while it heats, wipe it around, wipe it off, and then turn it off. And it is off now, but it's still hot. It heats up like really fast. We're gonna make some scrambled eggs and a little bit of French toast. Nothing too fancy. I don't want to go too fancy here. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. By the way, I'm a fan of pepper. I'm a big fan of pepper. For our egg wash, got a little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit. And no, I'm not gonna make a bit out of this and pour like a gallon of sugar into this. I want to give the Xpress Platinum its rightful video. I don't want to make this like a joke video. This is a serious product for a serious gang video. Let's get this all mixed up and get the Xpress Platinum heating up. We're gonna do 2, so both wells. For this well, I'm gonna use the insertable divider pan. Goes that way. Mix our egg wash. A little bit of slice of bread in there. Just enough to make something that is edible. Let's start with our scrambled egg. Actually, I feel like the French toast is gonna take longer to make. So why don't we start by putting the French toast in there? Start with that. Ooh, it's already sizzling. I mean, it's only on for like a minute, if even. That's pretty darn fast. Now let's put in our scrambled eggs. Maybe, you know what? I can use both pans. It's a little bit less on one. I can grab like a spoon and fix it. I could salvage this one, make it at least a little bit more even. Just to spice things up a little bit. A little bit of cheese to one. I don't want to wash my grater though. So I'm just gonna break off a piece and put it in. Don't worry about it. This is a serious video. This is a serious dang video. It's enough cheese for me. Woo boy. Man, that's plenty of cheese for Andrew. Let's flip this over using our thingy. There we go. Ooh. Oh, that's looking professional. This, on the other hand, it's taking a little bit longer to cook. Probably because of the insertable divider pan, because it has to it heats up that, and then it also needs to heat up the pan too. I'll do a taste test, to make sure everything turned out okay. I mean, from the rate it's going, this is probably done. Like the French toast. Dang, look at that. Okay, start with that. Let's get a close up here. That's pretty darn good. That's some pretty darn good French toast. In fact, let me just take a bite real quick. So this is just like basic egg wash, a little bit of milk, sugar, a little cinnamon. It smells good. Oh, wow. Wow. That's really good. The fact that we made this in like 1 minute. Now, one thing we could do, now that that's done, another option, since we have both the top and the bottom cooking, we can just close it. All right, we'll let this sit for a minute, then we'll take it out and see how the eggs are doing. Oh man, I didn't even notice this. There's like a little light here. Maybe that was saying it was preheated. I bet the eggs would have cooked faster if I had waited until it was preheated, but I don't know, I was excited. In fact, I'm so excited. Let's just open it up and see. Ooh, there we go. That's looking pretty good. Ooh, wow, look at that just slide right off. Look at that. Holy crap. Okay, we'll just let it go for just like a minute more. Think we're golden. Yeah, that's looking good. And see, with this spatula, it's way easier to get those on. I literally said don't touch that, and I touched it anyway. Guess what? It's hot. There it is. Our meal, the Xpress Platinum has provided. We got that French toast. Delicious, I know. Perfect. Got these eggs. It's a little bit less cooked on the top because we had it open for a long period of time, but if you look at the bottom, yeah, that's perfect. That's very good. Let's try the one with the cheese. So that's the cool thing about the divider pan. You can have 2 different kinds. So this one's just salt and pepper. This one has a little extra, little cheddar cheese in it. Okay. Amazing. You're able to cook like 3 dishes in total. If you had like 2 of the insertable divider pans, you'd be able to cook 4. But like, that's still really good. That is pretty much just all I gotta say about the Xpress Platinum. 100% recommend. So that is the Xpress Platinum. Fantastic piece of cooking thing. It's a fantastic grill. Let's just be real here. It's just good. You're able to cook quickly, cleanly. And with an air fryer, you know, I'm a big air fryer fan, but there are limits to what you can do with the convection cooking. This will let you cook so many things all at once. I think Cathy Mitchell's a genius. I think that's just the big point. No joking here. It's just something special. It's just something that you can't get anymore that kind of meant something to me. It's just something that I don't know. I don't see many of these around. Granted, I don't really watch a lot of TV, but I don't know why this would have failed. Germa985 even streamed the Xpress Ready Set Go infomercial, and I noticed a lot of people talking about the Xpress Ready Set Go and how much they love it, but no one's really talking about the Xpress Platinum. This was my hope to put into the world something that you might not know about that meant something to me. If it means something to you, I hope you find one. I wish you best of luck. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all for spending the time with me to cook a meal together as a family. I'll see you around, okay? Thanks for watching.